Hello, welcome to a C&O user journey tutorial where we're traveling into the world of WordPress. Today I'm working on the user journey site and I'm going to show you how to use your media library and upload images to use within your website. From your dashboard area, you want to go down to the tab that says Media. If you hover over that, you can click on the word Library. This opens up the media library, and you can see that so far I don't have any images uploaded. To bring images in, you go up to the top of the page to the media library, Add New button. Click on Add New. This is the Upload Media area. You can easily drag and drop files here to upload, or you can use the Select Files button to navigate through your computer. I'm going to select Files, navigate to my folder where I have images saved at 700 pixels wide, and I'm going to select the first image and click the Open button. You can see that that image has loaded. Then I'm going to go back to select additional files. If you have images in a row, you can multiple select. You would click on the first image to select it, and then hold your Shift key on a Mac. Click the last image in the series to multiple select everything in between. Then you can release the Shift key and click on Open. You can see that those images are all loading. If you go back over to the left to your Library tab and click on Library, you can see the media library again. And now you can see that I have 4 images loaded. There are a few things you can do from within the media library. You can select any images by clicking the check mark in front of them and perform bulk actions. I can delete permanently. If I hit the Apply button, every image that I have selected will be deleted from the media library. I don't want to delete these, so I'm going to deselect. When you hover over an image, you can see the options that you have. You can delete it here, and you can also edit it. So I'm going to click the Edit button. On the Edit Media page, you can see the image in a large view. This first box is your title box, and this is fairly important. For some applications, the title is shown when you hover your mouse over the image, or sometimes in different parts of the gallery. So I'm going to name this the name of my picture. Over on the right is the Update or Save button. If you make any changes to this file, be sure to update or save to save those changes. You can scroll down to the bottom of the page to add a caption or add alternative text. Alternative text is done usually for people who are visually impaired. If their images aren't shown on a computer screen, the text will tell you what the image is. The description is something that's held in the code of the page and might help Google to find things about your picture or pull your picture up on a search. So you could put a brief description in that box. These things can always be added later. Back up to the top, I want you to look at the right and look at the file URL. This is important because this is the location of your photograph on the server, and we will need to use this code for other applications, so you'll need to know how to select it. If you click your cursor at the beginning of HTTP to place it at the beginning, hold your cursor down and quickly scroll to the right. You can select the entire URL from HTTP all the way to JPEG. Then you can use Command-C on the Mac or File Copy to copy it to your clipboard. Sometimes I find this difficult to do in WordPress, so I'm going to show you another way that you can select. If you click once to put your cursor anywhere inside this space, and then click 3 times, it will select it. So I have the cursor placed here, then I'm going to click 1, 2, 3. You can see that the entire URL has been selected. And again, you can use File Copy or Command C on a Mac to copy this file to your clipboard. You can also see the file name, which is the name of the file on your computer. You can see the file type, and you can see its dimensions. Again, if you have made any changes in this file, be sure to click the Update or Save button. Now, if you go back to your media library, you can navigate to anything you need from here, either by editing or adding new media. Stay tuned to another tutorial to find out how we insert these images onto a page or into a gallery. Thank you.